Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Redlands, California. It's a cute little town started in the early 1900s. A lot of the buildings we'll see today were built between 1900 and 1910. It's a cute little area. Let's go check it out. We'll start with an old wall mural. It's not the original one. Well, it was there and restored in the 80s. Western Star Soap. Redlands Bakery. Redlands started off as it still is a citrus town. This is their sister clock. It's a kinetic clock. It goes off every hour. Sister cities are in Japan and China and Mexico.
See the local toy shop. It's Jack's. Oh, Jack's toy shop.
Seems like every little town like this has a fancy toy shop. Old printing shop.
Fake liquid.
Just a cute little quiet town. If you don't know, we are about 5 miles from San Bernardino. San Bernardino. And they love to pump music in. Redlands also has the only Abraham Lincoln Center and Museum on the West Coast. They're closed today. They're open Tuesday through Saturday, I think. So I'll have to come back and check that out. What's cool about towns like this, they have these old plaques everywhere. It lets you know what these buildings actually were. And of course, they have their murals to show you how it looked in the good old days. There are clocks everywhere here. see oranges and symbols of oranges everywhere here. Over in nearby Riverside at the California University of Riverside, they actually invented the cutie orange. That is a funky looking city hall. Looks like a bank in Las Vegas. This is a cool old building. Looks like, oh, it's the Redlands Police Department, Old City Hall. That's the newer City Hall. Civic Center. I see an old movie theater up there. That's cool. I want to go see what that is. It's funny how a lot of the theaters in old towns are named the Fox. I'm guessing after when 20th Century Fox owned most theaters. I don't know if you know that or not, but in the olden days, I have to stop saying that. Theaters were owned by the film companies. So Warner Brothers would have a film company, a movie theater. Fox would have a theater. And eventually they outlawed that as monopolies because they would only show their films. But a lot of them still have the names Fox. I don't know where I'm going with that, but there you go. I ramble sometimes. Alright. There's the old City Hall. Now the police station again. But I want to know what that beautiful building is right there. That's gorgeous. I saw it driving in. Oh! Might be the public library. My first job ever was in a library. Community park. I also want to show you, we'll swing by and look at the Lincoln Museum. Show you some of these beautiful old houses. It's just a cool building. The A.K. Smiley Library. That's a cool shot. All these repeating arches. This library was built in 1898. Here are some of the old buildings here. Look at these beautiful homes. That is now a pediatrics office, and I am on a cliff. Let's walk around and look at a couple of these. See who these guys are. I know you are because I'm showing them to you, but right here we have Jim and John Redlands. No. This memorial is placed in dear appreciation of Albert K. and Alfred H. Smiley, and also their brother Daniel. These men of noble character and generosity are examples of the best in mankind. Yeah, because of these guys, we have that library. Here we have a outdoor concert area. This is nice. Normally, when you have those concerts in the park, you bring your blankets, but they have actual benches there. Got a stage up there, place for lighting, maybe sound. Some more of these old homes. Wow. Oh, they have a concession. They have a concession stand. You can buy your kettle corn, it says right there, for $10 when you watch whatever happens here. Statue for President William McKinley. He visited Redlands. And they gave him a statue. Cool. Now, as I am recording this, it is the legal holiday in observance of Abraham Lincoln. So I thought for sure that the Abraham Lincoln Memorial Shrine would be open, but they are not. They are open next Monday because it is President's Day, but not today. I will definitely be coming back out here. I didn't even know that was here until a couple of days ago. With these guys, Robert Emery Ewart and Alma Watchorn, donors for the shrine. Yeah, I'm excited to go in there. There's supposed to be archives, artifacts for the president. Definitely come back and see that. Well, that's all today. It's a short video. It's a small town. So again, thanks for watching as we walked around a little bit of Redlands, California. And again, thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Maybe there, I don't know. And we see where the road takes us. Take care.